In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store shortcuts to web pages in your Dropbox folder. This is a simple and useful way to keep important websites organized right alongside your files. Instead of saving a full web page or copying and pasting links into a document, you can create a shortcut file that acts like a clickable link. When you open it later, it will take you straight to that website. This can be especially helpful if you want quick access to frequently used pages from inside your Dropbox folder. To get started, open either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Both browsers make this process very easy, and the steps are nearly identical. Once your browser is open, go to the website you want to save as a shortcut. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you can clearly see the address bar at the top. Next, look at the left side of the website address. You should see a lock icon. This icon appears next to the URL and represents the site information. Click on that lock icon, but instead of just selecting it, hold down your mouse button so you can drag it. Now, while holding the lock icon, drag it out of the browser and into your Dropbox folder in File Explorer. You can place it directly into the main Dropbox folder or into a specific subfolder if you want to keep things organized. Once you release the mouse button, Windows will automatically create a shortcut file for that web page. After that, you should see the new shortcut appear in your Dropbox folder. It usually takes the name of the web page, which makes it easy to recognize later. When you double-click that file, it should open the web page in your default browser. If you want to make things even easier to manage, you can rename the shortcut after it's created so it matches your own filing system. For example, you might want shorter or more descriptive names depending on the type of websites you save. Just be careful not to remove the shortcut functionality when editing the name. That's all there is to it. By dragging the lock icon from Chrome or Edge into your Dropbox folder, you can quickly create web page shortcuts without needing any extra apps or complicated setup. It's a fast, clean way to keep your favorite or most important sites accessible wherever you use Dropbox.